Let's do it.
Hello, my name's Max and I'm the marketing manager at Connect 2 Cleanrooms and Cleanroomshop.
And I'm Megan, I'm the marketing coordinator, and today we're here to build a laminar flow cabinet in our warehouse.
So neither of us have ever built one of these before, but we do get asked a lot by our customers how the laminar flow cabinets will arrive, what's included on the pallet, and how easy are they to put together.
So we'll be time-lapsing the entire process and stopping at key intervals to explain how we're doing it in more detail, and we'll be following our step-by-step instructions to show you how easy it is.
So we just thought we'd show you what arrives on a pallet when you buy a laminar flow cabinet from us. So to start with, we've got the Mac 10 XL HEPA fan filter unit. This is pre-fitted with all of the electronics to plug into the laminar flow cabinet canopy. We've got the LFU back panel here, and then two side panels and the front sash as well. And then down here we've got two LFU rails, one of which is already pre-fitted with the mounting brackets for the LED light bar, which is inside this LFU canopy. We've also got a box down here which contains all of the screws, fittings and bits that you'll need to put this together. And then finally we've got the LFU canopy here featuring the control panel on the front with a light switch, power switch, speed controller and mag gauge as well. Okay, so we've prepped the area behind us. We've got the instructions created by us and we've got a stopwatch. So we're going to set it going and see how long it's going to take us. Let's go. So we just thought we'd take a little pause at the minute just to talk through the electrics on top. So at first glance it looks a little confusing, but actually it's dead simple. So every one of these cable ends has a number and a letter, and all you do is match up the number with the letter B to the same number and the letter A. And then this orange one just connects to the only other orange one here. The only other final one is the power. They're completely different to the rest of the wheel and ends, and these just slot in together like that. One final thing that I almost forgot though is the connection for the mag gauge to work. So you just connect the end of this blue pipe, follow it through and connect it to the end of the static probe. It's a little tight, but it does go on. I swear it goes on. There we go. So now when we turn this unit on, everything should work. We'll have power, we'll have lights, we'll have a reading on the mag gauge, and we'll be able to use the speed controller. All right, so that's it. I've got the time here. It's taken us exactly 1 hour, 1 minute and 41 seconds to complete. I think everything went, on the whole, really well. There was only one bit I was a little bit apprehensive about, which was the electrics, just because it's something I'm not used to.
I was apprehensive about the entire thing, to be honest, but it went together really easily. It was so much easier than I thought it was going to be, especially the instructions. The instructions are really clear. It's really easy to put together and quick as well. I thought it'd take us a lot longer. So yeah, really easy from my side.